Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our monthly compliance masterclass. I'm Ilana Stein, the Managing Director of Company Partners and your host for today's session. At Company Partners, we are known as compliance specialists, experts in CIPC, SARS, and COID. And over the years, we've built strong accounting division that supports thousands of South African businesses every month. Our mission is simple to help the entrepreneurs and SMEs stay compliant, unlock new opportunities, and grow with confidence. And one of the biggest challenges many SME faces is understanding accounting, not just what it costs, but also what should actually be included and how it can protect and grow their businesses. That's exactly why today's session is all about the smart accounting to protect and grow your business. Today we have Ruan Swart, head of our accounting maintenance plans division at Company Partners with us. Ruan works closely with South African SMEs every day, helping businesses and business owners stay compliant with SARS, manage their monthly accounting efficiently, and plan with transparent, predictable pricing. So, with years of experience guiding these SMEs across various industries like construction, consulting, logistics, and retail, Ruan really understands the accounting challenges business owners face, from late submissions to unclear cost and how to manage the cash flow and preparing everything for growth. So today he's going to talk us through why accounting is essential for your SME and what your accounting should include and how transparent pricing can protect your business. By the end of today's session, you will know why accounting is crucial for your SME and the compliance side of things, the big risk of the unclear and neglected accounting, the core essentials of good accounting, and how transparent pricing protects your business and improves the cash flow. And then, of course, how to use our new accounting package calculator to get your tailored quote instantly. So, just a quick reminder, this session is not a formal financial or accounting advice. Our goal is to help SMEs understand the accounting and the compliance requirements that every business must meet, and to share some very practical experience we've gained in assisting thousands of South African businesses with tax, accounting, and compliance. So please feel free to post your questions in the question and answer section at any time, and we will be answering as many as we can after the presentation. And with that, I'm going to hand over to Ruan to take us through today's topic. Over to you.
Thank you, Ilana. And hi, everyone. It is absolutely great to be with you today. So let's jump straight in. Our topic, why accounting is critical for SMEs. You are where many SMEs are so focused on running their business that monthly bookkeeping and accounting often takes the backseat. But accounting is not just about balancing books. It is also about running your business with clarity and with control. Here are some of the main reasons why it is so important. So first of all, we've got cash flow. Proper accounting gives business owners a clear view of income, expenses, and profits, allowing you to plan, invest, and scale with confidence in your business. The second point, we've got compliance. When you submit your company's income taxes, your VAT returns, and annual financial statements to SARS, your accounting needs to be up to date to ensure that you submit your accurate returns on time as well. Our third point would be performance. So regular accounting reports helps you identify which products or services are most profitable for your business and also where you can reduce your costs. Our last point is the important one, which is growth. So banks, investors, and even tender boards often require financial statements to assess credibility and stability of your company. Accounting is absolutely the backbone of smart decision making and business growth. You simply can't grow when you don't when you can't grow what you don't measure. That's extremely important. And accounting is the measurement system of your business. Now let's take a look at the biggest risks of neglected or unclear accounting. When businesses delay or ignore accounting, we often see the same problems occur. The first one is definitely your tax penalties. So inaccurate or late submissions or late financial reporting can lead to fines or audits from SARS. This means avoidable costs, wasted time, and unnecessary stress that takes your focus off running your business. Your second point would be cash flow crisis. Without tracking income and expenses like a budget for your business, many SMEs run out of cash unexpectedly. And without cash flow, your business can struggle to pay suppliers or restock inventory, even forcing you to slow down operations, which none of us wants at all. The other point is poor decision making. So guesswork replaces facts, which means owners might overspend or underprice services. This often leads to profit margins, unplanned debt, or missed opportunities because you're making decisions without real data. We also have lost opportunities. Without up-to-date statements, businesses struggle to access loans, grants, or new contracts. Funders, investors, and tender boards want to see accurate and current financials. If you don't have them, growth stops before it even starts. Our last point would be fraud and errors. Lack of oversight makes it easier for mistakes or misuse of funds to go unnoticed. Without proper checks, duplicate payments, supplier fraud, or staff misuse can drain cash before you even notice it. So unclear accounting is almost like driving blindfolded. You might move forward, but you don't know how or where you are heading or when you might hit a wall. The good news is every one of these risks is completely avoidable if your accounting is managed accurately month by month. So what are core essentials of good accounting? So strong accounting starts absolutely with structure, accuracy, and most definitely consistency. Accurate record keeping is every transaction, income, and expenses must be recorded correctly and on time. That is extremely important. Separation of personal and business finance. So this is also a very big point. You always keep business and personal accounts separate to avoid any confusing of your cash flow or claiming the wrong expenses. We also have monthly reconciliations. So you regularly match bank statements with your accounting records to catch errors early. Rather, prevention is better than cure. Then financial statements is our last point. That's to maintain a proper income statement, a balance sheet, and a cash flow statement. These statements shows you the real-time health of your business. So good accounting does not happen by accident. It happens by discipline. And if you struggle to keep up with your monthly books or accounting, rather get a professional help from qualified accountants to ensure your compliance and accuracy and peace of mind. That's extremely important for you. Our next point we're going to touch on is how transparent pricing protects you. So many SMEs tells us they never know what their accounting will cost each month. One invoice says 1,000, the next invoice says 3,000, and no one explains to the SMEs why. That uncertainty makes budget extremely impossible. That is why, as company partners, we have created a transparent pricing model where you only pay for what your business actually needs. The cost depends on clear factors like number of invoices, the amount of employees, and bank accounts. There's nothing hidden and no surprises. This helps SMEs plan better and trust that their accounting partner is as transparent as they are compliant. So we're going to have a look at our accounting package calculator. Now let's look how we can find what your accounting will cost in under 2 minutes. So when you open your accounting package calculator, we're going to start off with a few questions. So Milan, if you can go to that accounting calculator, please. Fantastic. So as you see, you'll start off with a few basic questions. Just for example, your name, your surname, your email address, and your cell phone number. That is all the basic information we require. And once you go down, you'll see your business information. That will be your business name, the industry that your company is in. Are you a PTY? Your annual returns up to date? Are you VAT registered? So those are all your basic questions about the company. Once you scroll a bit down further, this is where it comes to all of your more in-depth questions. How many bank accounts does your company have? How many pages is your bank statements per month? And also, how many transactions do you have per month? Your financial indicators would be how many cash slips, for instance, do you have? Is it 10 to 25, all depending on how many you have? The number of invoices that you send to clients or receive from your customers, and then your installment agreements as well as the transactions. Then after that, we will see the annual financial statements. Does your business require the annual financial statements? Yes or no? And then once we scroll down a bit, it will give you all of your answers. So Milan, if I can ask you a quick exercise just to show our clients how easy this is. So let's complete this on our client's behalf. So in this instance, we will go up to our indicators there. So let's say, for instance, the company, I will be the client. So my name would be Ruan. So we'll just type in there, Ruan. My surname, as you're aware, it's Swart. Quite easy and short surname. Then you would go down again, just complete your email address and then the cell phone number. And it's also very, very user friendly as well. You'll see it gives you an example also of what you require in those forms. As we scroll down, we'd say the business name, we'll just say it's Ruan, for instance. There we go, company partners, as you prefer, Milani. And then the industry, we can select any industry that you prefer. You'll see there's quite a few industries, and we'll go with agriculture for now. You'll select your business is a PTY. So you can decide yes or no. We'll go with yes. And then also important, do you have a business bank account? The next question is your annual returns up to date? So let's say yes. We are page and registered, and we have a VAT number as well. Then at the bottom, let's just say we've got one bank account at this current moment. We've got, let's say, 2 statements per month. That's the amount of pages your bank statements is per month. And then bank transactions, let's say we've got 40 transactions per month. Right. Then as we scroll down, we've got 5 cash slips per month, for instance. That will be anything that you use for your cash expenses like petrol slips and so forth. We've got, let's say, 5 invoices per month as well. Your installment agreements would be, as I said, any loans. Let's say our business does not have any loans at the moment. And then lastly, the points of sale transactions. So if you use a bank merchant or, for instance, a Yoco machine, you can type in if you have any transactions. Let's just say 0 by installment agreements and by the transactions. Then the financial statements. Yes, we would love financial statements. As we discussed, that helps your business. And then if we scroll down to the VAT part, it will ask you your VAT. Mainly, it's every 2 months. So let's select on every 2 months. Then you scroll down, it gives you a full breakdown of what your accounting package would be. So Milani, I think just if you go up to the top there by the number of bank accounts, I think that's what's currently throwing the price out a bit because we've got 1,000 bank accounts. Just select one bank account at the top for me, please. Fantastic. Let's scroll down now. Awesome. As you can see, there's the price that's more applicable to your business. So that's the price that's accurate to what your business needs. It gives you a accurate pricing. There's no hidden fees, and you see exactly what is included in your company. You also, that was within less than 2 minutes that we've completed the form and got our quotation as well. Once you fill in all the answers, you get that instant quote for your monthly package, and then you can book a free consultation with an accounting expert who will fine tune your plan based on your business size and goals. It is simple, transparent, and it helps you plan cash flow up front. So before we move to the Q&A, the three key takeaways from today is number one, accurate accounting gives you clarity, control, and confidence to make the right decisions in your business. Number two is strong accounting is built on discipline and consistency. It's what you keep your business steady. Then last point, if you want accuracy, peace of mind, and compliance, partner with experts who turns your numbers into business insight and action. Thank you very much. And I'll hand over to Ilana now to open the live Q&A session for us.
Great. So we're going to give an opportunity just to see if there's any questions. Guys, you are more than welcome to use the Q&A section, or maybe just chat in the chat group, and we're going to see if there's anything coming through. So Ruan can help you with the questions that you might have after today's session. Ruan, we're going to give a few minutes for them to just type the questions away. Thanks.
100%. Thank you, Lana.
Maybe while we are waiting for them to add the questions there, Ruan, from your experience, what is some of the most frequent questions that comes through when people talk to you about the accounting?
I think one of the most frequent questions we do receive is why. I think the why question is a very big one as to why must accounting be done monthly if your taxes are only due 3 times a year? Because you get your provisional submissions, which is due August and February, and then of course your annual tax submissions in July. So it is a very good question, first of all. So it's not a long question to ask. But the answer to that question is when you do your tax submissions, you do projections based on 6 months of stats. So as you are aware, it's very difficult to do any form of projection based on stats that's done once every 6 months. And therefore, your accounting is kept up to date on a monthly basis to ensure you've got the newest and accurate stats. You've got all your slips for all your expenditures as well submitted to your accountant on a monthly basis in order for them to do your projections in August and February based on your tax. Because if you're not aware, SARS actually penalize you if your submissions do not match with each other. So if, for instance, your projected submissions with your actual tax submission, that has to match at least 80%. And that's why it's crucial to have monthly accounting done. Also, if you require, for instance, funding purposes, you need that accountant on speed dial that you can contact and say, listen, I need A, B, and C. I need my management of accounts for the past 3 months or a financial statement as I'm applying for a loan or for a tender. You have that by hand as well.
Fantastic. And if a client has been or fell behind with their taxes over a couple of years, would you still be able to assist them?
100%. So if your company's fallen behind, I know most of the times you think all hope is lost. It is not. It can still be fixed. It can still be rectified for you. So we do what we call a backlog for your company. Backlog is physically backdating from the last time you submitted your tax. We go through your bank statements, we go through all your expenditures, and we compile a quotation also for you free of charge, 100%. We provide you with a quotation of what your costing is that you can expect for getting up to date. Once you are happy with that, We then assist by submitting all of your outstanding submissions, notifying SARS as well, so that the compound interest that you are being charged stops from that point as you are busy getting up to date. And then before you know it, your company is fully compliant, up to date, and you can continue again with your business going forward.
Great. Thank you for that. I see there is a question coming in at the moment. We will just give a few more seconds for a person to answer there or to ask the question there, and then I'll hand over to you. Thanks, Ruan.
100%.
Yeah, just while we are waiting for the question coming through, so even a person that hasn't traded for some time and say, for instance, they registered the company 2 years ago, can they also use this to get their accounting up to date?
So a company that has not traded before, we can still do a backlog for your company to ensure your taxes is brought up to date. If there was no income, for instance, there won't be any accounting necessarily, but your tax still has to be done. So we will still have to compile and file all of your tax submissions for you on your behalf, which will be done via the backlog for you most definitely.
All right, great. And then the question coming through was just somebody that wanted to know if I can ask company partners to help me on a monthly basis, and will it be sorted because I have no one helping me and missed out on so much opportunities, and I've lost track of most of the required obligations because of no income. And I think that's absolutely one of the situations that we see so many business owners get into. So, Ruan, what would your answer to Audrey be?
Yeah, so if you look at your company, you lost track of what is required because of no income. That is one of the mistakes that happens quite regularly. Is we think sometimes that when the company is not receiving income, we don't have to submit taxes, and we forget about submitting taxes. So your key compliance areas for a company that has not yet gotten income remain SARS and CIPC. You still have to file your annual returns on a yearly basis, but also your tax returns. Your taxes must still be filed on the same time frames and the same dates as well. We can definitely assist you with that, Audrey. We can get you up to date, first of all, with anything that's outstanding on your company, and then we keep your company compliant. We have to still submit August, February, and July. The biggest difference is, as mentioned, your company won't necessarily have any accounting work to be done because there's no expenses to deduct or income to actually calculate in that. We will submit for you at a R0 return to say to SARS, my company has not received income, but here's my submission. I have not yet got anything in, so therefore I submit as an inactive company, which we will call that.
Right, that actually brings us to the next question. Just in case of a farming business, which is seasonal and does not get income monthly, would you be able to assist on that as well?
100%. So we get that actually quite a lot. We get construction companies as well that works with a lot of contracts. So it's based on a contract period, or in this case with farming, where it's seasonal. So with that being said, you will still require the monthly accounting. The reason for that is, let's say for argument's sake, the farming industry will get income from March month up until, let's say, July. By the time you do your projection for February, your IRP6, you have to consider the projected income that you'll receive for that period. So when you do your submission, that income is also considered into your projection as well as your annual tax return. So we'll have to do your accounting still. We base it off of historical data and also your current data as well. And once again, the accountants are the professionals in this. They know exactly how to assist your business based on your industry and based on what you require. So farming industry, 100%, we can definitely assist you with that.
Great. So we're going to leave the chat open for those of you that still have more questions. You're more than welcome to put that in the chat for us. So I want to thank you so much for joining us today for this accounting masterclass. I hope this session really helped you to see how clear and consistent accounting can transform the way that you manage and grow your business. At Company Partners, we've helped thousands of South African entrepreneurs build strong, more compliant businesses through professional accounting support, and we are here to help you. So we are offering a free accounting and tax backlog review to assess your current books and identify some of the areas that you might need for improvement. We can help you stay compliant with SARS and avoid those costly penalties and ensure that your monthly reports and financial statements are accurate. And then, of course, we can help you with a plan and a budget with full transparency through your accounting package calculator. So whether you are managing 10 invoice or 10,000 invoices or that 1,000 bank accounts that Ruan has had earlier, our accounting experts can help you to achieve clarity, control, and confidence in your numbers. And if you would like to get Ruan to contact you directly for a free consultation, please just type the word ACC for accounting in the chat section now, and he will be in touch with you within the next 24 hours. With that, I want to say thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at the next one.